So, there is a mystery hidden in plain sight on the 2018 and newer Toyota Camrys. I haven't been able to get an answer to this, but I'd like to know what inspired the black strip underneath the taillights on the back bumper of these cars. It's a very small black strip that basically is a fake vent. Doesn't really seem to serve much purpose, I guess. It makes the car a little easier to spot if you know to look for it. And I'm wondering why they chose to do this. I haven't been able to find a good answer for this on the internet even, so far anyway, other than that it's just a design feature they decided upon. Now, I said it may make the Camry a little easier to spot than other cars on the road if you know to look for it. That's mostly if it's a white, gray, red, or some other model. If it's a darker colored model, like black, for example, it's going to blend right in. Usually a more common trend when it comes to fake vents is usually somewhere on the front of the car, such as a hood scoop. I don't even know why you'd really need them on the back of the car. Like I said, 2018 was the first year they started doing this on the Toyota Camry, and they've been doing it ever since. And if you look at where this black strip is placed on the back, it doesn't really look like that clean of a design to me when you consider that the panel ends just like a couple of inches away. It doesn't seem like the best spot to put something like that, in my humble opinion. But so even though the Toyota Camry is one of the best-selling cars in the world, no one seems to be talking about this unique little design quirk. That's why I said it's a mystery. I don't know if the explanation is very clear, but it's a mystery for sure. Thanks for watching.